In this video, we're going to talk about stylizing your text, and we're going to start with understanding margins and padding. Hover over the text that you'd like to stylize. You'll see an orange menu bar pop up on the top right. Go ahead and click on the Style the Text icon. You'll see the option to change the margin and padding pop up on the right-hand side of the screen. But first, it's important to understand what changing the margin and padding will do to your text. Let's take a look at this image to better understand what padding and margin will do to your text. In the center of this image, you'll see your content. That's going to be your text. Increasing or decreasing the padding is going to change the amount of space between the border and your text. Increasing or decreasing the margin is going to change the amount of space on the outside of your border. To change the top margin, you can simply click on the gray icon and drag the anchor up or down. By doing this, you can customize the margin and padding of the content, and you have the options to increase or decrease the margin and padding on the left-hand side, the right, the bottom, or the top. As you change the padding or margin, you'll see a live preview of the changes on your website. So go ahead and play with this until you feel comfortable with how your text looks.